Thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Nairobi Women's taũni-inĩ ya Naivasha nĩ kwa arwaru 14 arĩa nĩ gatagati ga 19 arĩa maragurarire mutino-inĩ wa bathi na mũgithi maraguthũkirio. Mwandĩki mũkaru thĩinĩ wa ministry ya hinya wa maguta Mohamed Liban ũndũ ũmwe na mũrũgamĩrĩri wa kambuni ya KPC ĩrĩa bathi yayo ĩrakuĩte arĩa maronire mutino Joe Sang Macherete arĩa marahonokire mutino ũcio magĩtarĩria ũrĩa kũrathire.
Jana tukitokea job kulikuwa kunanyesha. So ile time tukitokea job hiyo train tulikuwa almost hapo kwa hiyo nini ya train, and train haikutu alert. So unajua ile heavy rain na ile moisture inakuanga kwa gari ukishafunga vioo, so huwezi ona. So driver hakuwa ameona hiyo honi. So wakati tunapita pale hivyo kwa reli ndana hiyo,
I don't know actually what I can't describe the situation, but I remember only seeing a train closer to our bus.
Na hapa kwa mkongo na mkuu.
Na kwa mochari-inĩ ya thibitarĩ wa Naivasha kũrĩa mĩĩrĩ ya arĩa marakuire ratwarirwo kuma na kĩeha na kĩgirĩko, family cia andũ arĩa ao marakuire magĩkinyia gũtambũra mĩĩrĩ ĩyo.
Nilizunguka sana, kwanza nikaenda kwa kitabu ya wale wenye wanachukua wale wamewekwa orodha, wale wanaingizwa. So nilipoangalia kwa hiyo kitabu nikakuta ya kwamba jina la msichana wangu alipo. Nikawa na wasiwasi kubwa sana. Nimeambiliwa district, na sasa hapa ni district na hapa ni kwa accident, na jina la huyu hakuna na amehusika na accident. Nikawa nimeanza kujijazia mambo mengi.
Ambaye amekufa ni kazini yangu. Jana ndio tulipata ripoti ya kuwa gari ya KPC imepata accident. Na tulikuwa na hofu kwa sababu alikuwa arudi nyumbani. Hatukumsikia.
Ni hakika tumepoteza a very close relative na imekuwa ni huzuni sana.
Thutha wa gũcerera arwaru marĩ hamwe na maobitha kuma honge ngũrani cia thirikari, mwandĩki mũkaru magĩthiĩ nginyagia harĩa mutino ũcio ũrekĩkire na kwanĩrĩra atĩ thirikari nĩ kũrũgamĩrĩra family iria irahutirio harĩ marĩhi ma thibitarĩ.
Out of the 9 bodies, 7 have been identified by their next of kin, and as Kenya Pipeline Company will be able to support all these families in terms of paying all the hospital bills. We are transferring the 2 this afternoon from the district hospital to the Nairobi Women Hospital in Naivasha, and we'll also be able to support the families of the 9 individuals who lost their lives.
The road carnage is a major thing. Especially when you at the statistics, they are about 34%. And the railway and the roads usually about 7%. That one adds up to road 41. So it is important for each one of us, the drivers, for Kenyans who are on the road, to make sure that the life of our Kenyan people are safe.
Gũkinyĩria rĩu andũ 9 nĩo mekĩrĩtwo mũkonde gũkua kumana na mutino ũcio ũrĩa ũrahanĩkire thutha wa bathi kũgũthwo nĩ mũgithi ĩgĩkĩrania reri itũũra-inĩ rĩa Morendat hwaĩ-inĩ wa Aramithi. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Ani Ngigĩ Wanyamũ.